Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a small Dollar Tree haul and a Goodwill haul. I went to Hobby Lobby and walked out with nothing, nada. Not too many people can say that. I need some envelopes. Once a month I need to write a rent check. And I was out of the envelopes. And then I sometimes coffee dye some paper or tea dye, whatever you want to call it. And I usually use the tin, like turkey pans. Well, it sprung a leak. So I picked up these two plastic bins, two of them. The reason I picked up two, well, when I clean my stencils, I'm going to have one for my stencils. But I can use both of them from tea dye and paper. So I grabbed two of them off the bat. And nothing new, too new at my Dollar Tree. Picked up me a couple canvases. They only had two in the store. I was like, damn. Because I usually pick up like 4 of these. But they only had 2, so I grabbed 2 of them, the 2 they had. And found some more tacky glue. I grabbed it. I had 3 bottles left, so they came home with me. They needed to come home. Because I liked how I did it. And then I came across this at end cap. It was Friendship Bracelet Kit. But I thought, just a string. You know, that, I don't know, embroidery string, I guess you call it, or whatever. So I picked up 2 of them. And, got me some Twizzlers. And these were caught my eye, too. I treated myself. Can you tell I was at Dollar Tree when I was hungry? Yeah, not good combo. And, I bought this magnifying glass with a light. I'm hoping this really works good. Because I can't keep grabbing my other one, but I'm having a hard time seeing everything, so I'll grab that. So I'm hoping the light. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Cool. I should maybe bought more than one of these, because I can see me losing it. So grab that. Then, the other thing I picked up was this phone stand. I'm hoping it works with my phone. Once in a while. Wow, okay. Cool. It's a little wide because I think it's supposed to clip. I got this case on there, so. But it'll do what I want to do, so that's cool. Alrighty, so that worked. And that, guys, unless you want to see these little brownie things and cinnamon things my husband likes that I pick up for him. Oh, that's my Dollar Tree. So, I went to Goodwill. Scott had to go to Harbor Freights, and he's like, do you want to go home? And I'm like, no, I'll go with you, because Harbor Freights is on the east side of Green Bay. And walked through that Hobby Lobby, too, on the east side. Walked out, nothing. So I went to 2 Hobby Lobbies today and walked out with 0. So, but at Harbor Freights next door is a Goodwill. So when he was in Harbor Freights, I went to the Goodwill. And I came across this. You're like, what is that, Tina? This is pretty cool. Let me bring my camera up a little bit here. So when you open it, the one thing was broke on one side, but I didn't think that mattered. It had all these in. I think for photos, I take it. But I thought storage for die cuts that he cut up, or dies, or who knows. And I don't think there's only one missing, or maybe not even that. I don't know, but that was cool. And then close it. On the other side, it's just open. It was $3.99. I didn't think that was bad for that, so I grabbed that. I didn't find too much. I usually never do. But I did find one stamp that caught my eye. Man, their stamps were pricey today. They had Ziggy stamps. They wanted like $15 a piece for those bad boys. Well, this one was a film strip. It's by Stampin' Up! for $2. So I thought that was pretty cool. I grabbed that one. Got that. And then, oh, I thought these. I thought they were only $1.99. And there are 12 classic brush tip markers. They were $2.99 at Hobby Lobby at one time. And then when I got up there, anything yellow take was 50% off. So that was, I didn't even pay, so I paid $1. So, got them. Then, I thought these were kind of cool. They had a couple pumpkin kits, but they wanted $4.99 for them, and I just thought that was too pricey. But then I came across these, Stampin' Up, and it says mini pizza box, and $2.99. I thought, what the hell? Let's check it out. And I thought they were kind of cool. Oh my god, this is tasty stuff. And I thought, what can I do with a little mini pizza box? I want to make one real quick here. I thought they're kind of cute. So they're laminated. I don't know what side you fold. So I'm just going to fold. I remember making these when I worked at Shakey's Pizza. I don't know if you guys know what Shakey's is. I don't know if that's, I think that's a Midwest restaurant years ago. They don't exist anymore, but they had the greatest pizza. Okay. There we go. Come on, get in there. I'll figure it out yet. Cool. If I want to send something, I could see me embellishing these babies, and who knows. So, they were $2.99 for, I don't know how many are in each pack. See, does it tell you? Okay. No, I think it says 8. Yeah. So, 8 in each pack. So, $2.99, 2 packs. So, that's that. And then, I was like, Avery computer labels. $1.99. I was like, what the hell are these? So, open the box. And they're sticker labels. And you all know, I buy all these at the Dollar Tree for when I do my stuff for my salon. I put them out there for $1.99. So, I grabbed them. And that's it, guys. That was my big haul for today. Yay! It was not a good day for me out and about. But that's it, guys. Oh, I did find Scott a whiskey jug. An old-time whiskey jug. That he's already put on his shelf down in his man cave. At Goodwill. That's the only other thing. And, of course, food products. These little biscuit thingies, brownie thingies, cinnamon thingies. Scott likes taking them to work for a snack. But that's about all. And, that's it. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.